Good morning friends, I am Karunadhan. My project title is Detecting Intrusion in Multi-Tier Web Application. There are 4 attacks: privilege attacks, injection attack, SQL attack, and database attack. There are 4 attacks. I am showing the project. The first, go to home page, the username and password, and go to the subject and injection attack is the same again, username and password, and then username, then copy and paste and submit. Go to one page, the one page, the not logout, and close the this page, and then go to next, run again, then go to username and password, register username password, and go to click the section attack, and directly go to this page and attack the user, not then sign out and go hold the logout this page, and then go to again another attack, and customer detail in the username and password log, and submit. And search the attack, and select star from system object, search the and one table, bulk table, and fix the select star from one table, select the one table, select star, this attack, let's change the password and the name, and then they only use customer payment report. This change the password and name, and then another and direct attack. This attack means direct change the this page, Raja, and change the password name, another name, and it's okay, and change the password, and then go to the solution for attack, direct attack. and then privilege attack. Privilege attack means creating username, money and password money, login. One page the privilege attack system page, home page, master page, transaction, installation, that's all. The privilege attack means select a star from system object and bulk table and showing the table, and which the select star from system object. The table and the table name, user ID only, the search user only this page. Select star from Microsoft engine. Select star from Microsoft engine, the table, privilege table. This jobs value change this page. Edit the attacking, one of the attacking is update the table. Display the attack, change attack, update mask, soft engine minus. This change the point. Job would value the change the program ID, job to the program ID with 13 already one job value. Next change the value to update the Microsoft engineering search job to and replacing the 13 page, already job value 1 and replacing 2. Okay, that's all. This attacking means privilege attacking. Okay. Okay, thank you, sir.